Good morning everyone and welcome back to school after the Easter break. Hope you had a pleasant vacation despite all the circumstances around us. The coronavirus has done great damage all over the world and we have to cope with it. So we have to continue with distance education for a while. For how long, we don't know yet. But before the break for Easter, you have done a great job, so just continue. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about today's task. You have to continue this self-chosen project that you started a while before Easter. And we have this lesson for today from 9 until 10:45. And in 14 days we have another lesson, and then you have to finish your task. So you have this lesson today and another lesson in 14 days, the 28th of April. After you have done a great job today, you have to fill in this evaluation form here, like you did before Easter. And if you have some questions during the lesson, don't hesitate to chat, send us chat messages, or you can call me and Trine. So we want you the best of luck for today. So see you!